Here I have DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Hotspot. So just by tap on it, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can switch hotspot name, you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, you can change its security protocol, you can change its password. You can also set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected, and you can extend its compatibility, helps other devices find this hotspot. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.